ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 82 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 2. ಬಾಣಸ್ಯ ಸಾ ಬಲಿಸುತಸ್ಯ ಸಹಸ್ರಬಾಹೋಃ ಮಾಹೇಶ್ವರಸ್ಯ ಮಹಿತಾ ದುಹಿತಾ ಕಿಲೋಷಾ ತ್ವತ್ಪೌತ್ರಮೇನಂ ಅನಿರುದ್ಧಂ ಅದೃಷ್ಟಪೂರ್ವಂ ಸ್ವಪ್ನೆ ಅನುಭೂಯ ಭಗವನ್ ವಿರಹಾತುರಾ ಅಭೂತ್. ವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಹೇ ಭಗವನ್, ಓ ಲಾರ್ಡ್. ಬಲಿ ಸುತಸ್ಯ, Mahabali's son. Maheshwarasya, a devotee of Shiva. Sahasra Bahoho, having 1,000 arms. Banasya, of Bana. Duhita, daughter. Mahita, respected by all. Sa Usha, that Usha. Tvat Pautram, thy grandson. Adrishtapurvam, not previously seen by her. Yenam Aniruddham, this Aniruddha. Swapne Anubhuya, enjoying his company in a dream. Virahatura Abhut Kila, suffered the pangs of separation indeed. Full meaning. O Lord, Usha, who was respected by all and was the daughter of Mahabali's son Banasura, who was a devotee of Shiva and had 1,000 arms, once enjoyed in a dream the company of thy grandson Aniruddha, whom she had never seen before. She fell deeply in love with him and suffered the pangs of separation. Om Tat Sat.